Good morning, everyone. Kevin Bowen here from Bomar Industrial Services. I just finished setting up this podcast studio in our office, and I wanted to take it for a quick test run, try it out, see how everything works. I figured I would create a quick video and just remind everybody that we have our meetup call, Hood Cleaners Mastermind meetup call. That's going to happen this coming Monday, the 29th at 10 a.m. Central Time. So if you're available, you got some time, come jump on the call. This week, we're going to talk about hiring the right people, training, coaching, and developing. Before we get started into the hood cleaning business, before I got started into the hood cleaning business, I spent about 15 years as a training manager responsible for hiring, training, coaching, and developing people. So, I'll take that time on that call. I'll share a bunch of the tips and tricks that have worked well for me over the years. We'll spend some time talking about some of the basics, where to find candidates, how to interview candidates, how to hire potential candidates and set expectations, the right expectations right from the beginning, and then how to follow up with new hires during the first 90 days of employment. This is something that we can talk about for hours and hours and hours, building leadership teams, coaching and developing people into really good employees. But we're going to just start with the basics, and then we'll expand out from there. So this coming Monday, the 29th, 10 a.m. Central Time, I'll post the link here in a little while. Also, come jump in and join the call. We're going to go through, we'll have some topics that we'll spend some time on each one of these topics. Then we'll have some Q&A after each topic and at the end of the call also. The call will be recorded. It will also be posted onto into the group for you to view afterward. We're trying to get these calls, these mastermind meetup calls, to be better and better each time. So, just bear with us. We'll get better as we go, the more practice we get. Thanks again to everybody that joins the call. Appreciate it a lot. It makes it a lot better. I know a lot of us have asked for these calls, and so we're trying to put them together, trying to get some more structure, some more organization to them. So thanks for everybody's support. Appreciate you coming out and getting onto the call and participating. It's only going to help out the industry as a whole. So Monday, the 29th, 10 a.m. Central Time, come stop in, jump on the call if you can, or just catch the video later on. Thanks, guys. Have a great Wednesday.